In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website in Canva. Before we dive into the publishing options, make sure you already have your website project open in the Canva editor. This could be a multi-page design you've built using Canva's website templates or a custom layout you created from scratch. Once everything looks the way you want, we're ready to move on to getting it online. Look towards the top right corner of the Canva editor. You'll see an option labeled Publish Website. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll control how your website behaves once it's live. On this right-hand panel, click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll notice there are two main tabs, Site and Pages. Let's go through each of these so you understand what they control. In the Site tab, you can decide whether your website should be visible to search engines. If you want people to find your site through Google or other search engines, make sure this option is enabled. If you prefer your site to stay more private, you can turn that off. You'll also see an option for password protection. If you turn this on, you can create a password that visitors must enter before they can access your site. This is useful if you're sharing a draft with a client, or you only want specific people to see it. Next, you can choose whether to show a navigation menu. If your design has multiple pages and you want visitors to be able to move between them easily, keep the navigation menu enabled. Canva also gives you the option to resize the site on mobile, helping your design adapt better to phones and tablets. It's usually a good idea to keep this on so your site is more mobile friendly. You'll also find settings for social media link previews. This controls how your site looks when you share it on platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn, including the image and text that appear in the preview. Now switch to the Pages tab. Here you'll see all the pages in your site listed in a series of accordions. You can click directly on a page title to rename it, which affects how it appears in navigation and sometimes in browser tabs. If you click the small downward arrow next to a page, it will expand and allow you to add a description. This can be helpful for organization and in some cases for search engine context. Once you're happy with your site and page settings, click back on the right panel to return to the initial view. Here you can choose your site address. You can use a Canva provided address, or if you have your own custom domain, you can connect that instead so your site appears under your personal or business web address. After you've entered or selected the site address you want, simply click Publish. Canva will take a few moments to process everything, and then your website will be live. And that's it. Your Canva website is now published and ready to share.